I just want to say before we begin, these are all Biden trials. This is done as election interference. Everybody knows it. I'm here instead of being able to be in Pennsylvania and Georgia and lots of other places campaigning, and it's very unfair.
Former President Trump is taking aim at President Biden today ahead of his hush money trial. Opening statements are now underway before entering court. The former president called the case a witch hunt. Connor Hansen has the latest.
History is being made in this Manhattan court today as lawyers begin their opening statements in the first ever criminal trial against a former U.S. president.
This is a witch hunt, and it's a shame, and it comes out of Washington.
Former President Donald Trump returning to a New York City courtroom on Monday as opening statements take place in his hush money trial. Trump is accused of falsifying business records to cover up a $130,000 payment to buy the silence of adult film star Stormy Daniels during the 2016 presidential campaign. His attorneys argue the payments were legitimate legal expenses.
This is a business records case. Those business records accurately reflected payments to one of President Trump's lawyers as legal retainer fees.
12 jurors and 6 alternates are hearing the case. The panel includes 2 lawyers, which some legal experts say is an unconventional move.
You don't want to seat a lawyer on the jury, and that is because ultimately they become a super juror and they would dominate because everyone looks to them for, decisions and help them think through the law and the facts.
The first witness in the trial is David Pecker, the former head of American Media Incorporated, the publisher of the National Enquirer. He's expected to outline the scheme by the tabloid to influence the 2016 election by paying former Playmate Karen McDougal to keep the story of her alleged affair with Trump under wraps. The court is also expecting to hear from Michael Cohen, Stormy Daniels, and potentially from former President Trump himself. In New York, Connor Hansen, Fox 32, Chicago.